Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the latest offerings from Samsung, as they bring their Galaxy S26 series and Galaxy Buds4 earbuds to Australia. But this isn't just about new gadgets, it's about transforming the everyday into something extraordinary. Samsung is taking a fresh approach to mobile and audio experiences, focusing on simplicity and ease of use. The Galaxy S26 series boasts some impressive hardware innovations, like an advanced camera system with enhanced low-light photography and video stabilization. But what's really intriguing is their privacy display, giving users more control over their personal info. Imagine a screen that adapts to your surroundings, ensuring your data stays private. This is a game-changer for those who value digital privacy. Personally, I think this is a brilliant move by Samsung. In today's world, where our devices are constantly collecting and sharing data, having control over what we share is crucial. It's a feature that might not seem flashy but has massive implications for personal security. Now, let's talk about the Galaxy AI. It's like having a personal assistant that learns your habits and anticipates your needs. It's the little things that make a difference, like suggesting actions or nudging you to respond to important messages. This level of intuitive technology is what sets Samsung apart. The Galaxy Buds4 series also deserves some attention. With improved sound quality and noise cancellation, these earbuds are designed for all-day wear. And get this, you can even control calls with head gestures. It's a small detail, but it shows Samsung's commitment to innovation. What many people don't realize is that these seemingly minor features can significantly enhance the user experience. Samsung is also launching the new Galaxy Club, offering trade-in benefits and protection plans. This is a smart strategy to keep customers invested in the Galaxy ecosystem. If you take a step back and think about it, these companies are creating entire digital lifestyles, not just selling products. The launch events in Australia are equally exciting, with immersive experiences and a unique microdrama series shot entirely on the Galaxy S26. It's a creative way to showcase the device's capabilities. From in-store demos to interactive photo ops, Samsung is pulling out all the stops to engage its audience. What this really suggests is that tech companies are becoming content creators, blurring the lines between technology and entertainment. It's a trend we're seeing across the industry, and Samsung is leading the charge. In my opinion, the Galaxy S26 series and Galaxy Buds4 are more than just devices, they represent a shift towards a more intuitive, user-centric tech experience. Samsung is not just selling smartphones and earbuds, they're offering a lifestyle upgrade. This is the future of technology, a seamless blend of hardware, software, and user experience. So, will these new devices live up to the hype? Only time will tell. But one thing's for sure, Samsung is pushing boundaries and setting new standards. The world of tech just got a whole lot more exciting.